नमस्ते एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू द सैफरन गेमिंग। आज की वीडियो में मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ समन्स केस, वारंट केस और सेशंस केस में डिफरेंस क्या होता है। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। Summons case. Summons case is a case relating to offences punishable with the term of imprisonment of up to 2 years. And on the other hand we have warrant case. Warrant case वो cases होते हैं जहाँ पर the cases are related to the offences which are punishable with the term of more than 2 years or life imprisonment. And on the other hand we have sessions case. Sessions case में वो cases attend किए जाते हैं जहाँ पर offences are punishable with डेथ पेनल्टी। समन केस का एग्जाम्पल है डिफेमेशन। वारंट केस का एग्जाम्पल है थेफ्ट, रायट। सेशंस केस का एग्जाम्पल है मर्डर। समन्स केस एज कंपेयर्ड टू वारंट केस एंड सेशन केस आर लेस सीरियस एंड सिंपल। Warrant case are more complex and serious, and on the other hand we have sessions case which are the gravest and very serious as compared to summons and warrant case. Meaning of warrant cases. पर अब ये warrant क्या होता है? Warrant एक official order होता है which directs a person to suspect or apprehend and bring them to the court for legal proceedings. When a person is arrested, it is important to show the warrant to the person who is being arrested, and in the case of cognizable offences, a person can be arrested without a warrant, and in the case of non-cognizable offences, a person cannot be arrested without the warrant or court's permission. अब ये summons और warrant issue किसको होते हैं? Summons are issued to the accused. Warrants are also issued to the accused. लेकिन in the case of sessions case, the case is tried by court of session.